Music from video games. It's one thing that we don't give a second thought to, but it changes the game entirely and gets stuck in our heads. Just from hearing a small snippet, I'm sure you could pick out the music of Super Mario Bros., Sonic the Hedgehog, or even Final Fantasy. Now, coming to Detroit on July 12th, is Play, a video game symphony. This event brings the music of Final Fantasy, Sonic the Hedgehog, The Legend of Zelda, Super Mario Bros., and many more to the Max Fisher Music Center. Along with the music being played out by the Detroit Symphony Orchestra, they also show footage of the games on 3 gigantic screens. Play, a video game symphony, is from the creative team that brought you Dear Friends, music from Final Fantasy, and is currently on their world tour. They have already done shows in Chicago and Stockholm, and after they perform here in Detroit, they're on their way to Philadelphia on July 27th and Vienna on August 4th. I'm Kyle Fulton from Start Button News. Hope to see you there.